This will be a speed test between the Huawei Mate 20 Pro versus the Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium. Now the Mate 20 Pro, this one has the Kirin 980 and 6 gigs of RAM. XZ2 Premium has the Snapdragon 845, 6 gigs of RAM as well. Now unfortunately I don't have the XZ3, so the XZ2 Premium will have to do. Turn on both at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. I'm gonna give the boot up win to the Mate 20 Pro. And we are in! Nothing open in the background on both. As you can see, all caches have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close. Messages. Mate 20 Pro. Camera. Mate 20 Pro again. Clock on both phones. Mate 20 Pro. Start the stopwatch on this and leave that running in the background. Chrome. Search for GSM Arena. Go. And let's go. A little bit faster on the Mate 20. So you can see, scroll through this and go to the desktop version. Go. Looking at the progress bar, I'm gonna give this to the Mate 20 Pro, but it's very close. Actually, very similar performance. Scroll through this. Pinch to zoom on the XZ2 Premium. Nice and fast. Do the same thing on the Mate 20 Pro. Very smooth as well. Leave it on that page. Calculator on both. Ooh, very close. Slow down the video for me. Play Store. Call that one a draw. Click on this one. Amazon Shopping. Ooh, so close. Both nice and fast right now. eBay. Give that to the Mate 20. Click on this MacBook Pro. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. And give this to the Mate 20 Pro. XZ2 Premium lagging a little bit here so you can see. There we go. Tap to begin. A little bit faster on the Mate 20 Pro running the game. Okay, a little bit of a lag here on the right. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Frozen Festival. Looks like the Mate 20 Pro is ahead. We'll confirm that in a second. Give this to the Mate 20. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on both phones. Mate 20 Pro is ahead. Will the XZ2 Premium catch up? No, it does not. And give the win to the Mate 20 Pro on this one. As you can see, Asphalt 9. Asphalt 9 Legends. Ooh, very close, but I'm gonna give the slight edge to the Mate 20 Pro on this one. Close out of that, tap to play. PUBG. Ooh, Mate 20 Pro is ahead. Will the XZ2 Premium catch it? Loading on both phones now. Give this to the Huawei Mate 20 Pro so you can see. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar, Mate 20 Pro way ahead. And give the easy win to the Huawei Mate 20 Pro on this one so you can see. The Sony boy lagging a little bit here. PlayStation app. Ooh, and give the Sony app to the Mate 20 Pro? Come on, I thought I was gonna go to the Sony boy. IG. Very close. and Snapchat, give that to the Mate 20. Let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, as you can see. So let's just see what happens right now. Both phones have 6 gigs of RAM, Instagram, good to go on both. PlayStation app, good to go on both as well. San Andreas, ready to play. PUBG, ready to play on both phones. Asphalt 9, good to go on both. Angry Birds 2, good to go. Temple Run 2, paused and ready to resume on both phones. Mario Run, Mario Time, that's for sure. eBay, same place. Amazon, same place. Play Store, same place on both. Calculator, no changes. Browsing, both still on GSM Arena. Clock on both phones, still running the stopwatch as you can see. Camera, there you go. The Messages app, there you have it. Nice and fast. And the phone app, a little bit faster on the Mate 20. Boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Do you have yourself the Huawei Mate 20 Pro? This phone coming in with a pretty nice display. Also a nice design. Does have a notch, but you can turn that off in settings. A massive 40 megapixel camera. Triple camera setup on the back. Reverse wireless charging. And this one is the blue and purple colorway with the red power button, as you can see. Flip the phone over in the back and this looks pretty nice back here. Or are you a Sony boy, rocking the Sony XZ2 Premium, the Sony XZ3? Are you looking forward to the rumored Sony XZ4 coming out in the spring of 2019? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.